Hi, good day, M6349. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good afternoon, Ma'am and Sir, and my future and my employer in Hong Kong. And I'm Nelda Aurelio Majus. I'm 43 years old and have two kids, a boy and girl, 21 and 17 years old. And I'm Roman Catholic.
Your highest educational attainment.
Yeah, I'm high school graduate.
Your civil status.
We do.
You are a widow.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
Um,
You have experience in Kuwait, right?
yeah.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper in Kuwait.
I'm a babysitter and I'm 4 years old. I'm 2 years old and 4 years old and 9 years old.
Okay, your household chores that you do.
I'm cleaning, I'm ironing, I'm washing, and I'm cleaning and washing in the car.
Okay.
And once a month.
Once a month. Okay, you have also experience in Saudi, right?
Yes.
Okay, tell me about your experience in Saudi.
I have an employer only, no have a baby. Only I'm cleaning and cooking, and also I'm marketing, and also I'm washing in the car.
How many car do you car wash?
Three,
3 or 2?
three.
3, which is in Hong Kong, right?
Yes.
1 in Hong Kong and also 2 in Saudi.
Yes.
So you have also experience in Hong Kong.
Yes.
Okay, tell me about your experience in Hong Kong.
My experience in Hong Kong is I have a newborn baby, and also I'm cleaning all around.
So you are the one who do all the household chores. Why suddenly terminated the contract?
Because my employers, she transfer in the Japan.
Relocation to Japan.
Yes.
So they relocate to Japan. That's why they terminated the contract. Do you
Yes.
have any release paper?
Yes, I have.
Okay, you have.
Yes.
Okay, so since I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby here in Hong Kong, so you know how to prepare a meal for a newborn, right?
Yes.
Okay, if the newborn is crying, what will you do?
I see, and I have fever, and they have something from the stomach, and diaphragm.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check their temperature, you feed the baby and also change the diaper, what will you do?
I call my madam and sir.
And what will you say to your...
I said my baby is crying and crying did not stop.
Okay, that's the right thing you should do because maybe only the parents know what to do to the baby to make it stop to cry, right?
Yeah.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
Because I want to for my future to save money for my kids
Okay.
and to help my family also.
Okay, you want to work in Hong Kong again because you want to save money for the future of your kids and also for your future.
Yeah.
And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
And 2 years, if I want to extend my contract, I sign.
Okay, so it is okay to you to extend it, right?
Yes.
Okay. For sure you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food because you are ex-Hong Kong, right?
Yes.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
I know the cooking that fish, steamed fish, and vegetable to steam, and then I cook and make soup pork.
Okay, pork soup.
Yeah.
Okay, if your employer prepare food, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short?
Yes.
It is okay to you to share job without a helper?
Yes.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
Yes.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes.
Taking care of elderly, it is okay with you?
Yes.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
My message to my future employer, I hope you want me belong at your family, the housemate, and then I take care your kids like my take care my kids to love, and I mean I'm loving and I'm caring and
Okay, can you promise also that you will be a hardworking person?
Yes, I promise.
And also follow their rules and regulations.
Yes, I follow the old rules of the family rules.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Nilda. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay.